Hello everyone, this is RAKESH KUSHWAH from Mumbai. Today we shall practice grade 9th ICSE maths paper. Some viewers have requested for practice paper for grade 9th ICSE. So let us begin. The duration of paper will be 2 hours 30 minutes, maximum marks 80. There are two sections. From section 1 you have to attempt all the questions, 40 marks, 10 marks each, and there are 3 subparts in each question. And question 4, answer any 4 questions from section 2 and you will be getting choice. Council gives you 7 questions and they ask you 4 out of 3, and it varies from school to school. If you follow the standard format, you will be getting choices over there. Section 1 is compulsory. Let us begin. So we are doing topics in the form of sums. So the first question is from irrational numbers. Rationalize the denominator. So you must be knowing by this time what is rationalizing factor. In such question we multiply by the conjugate of this by changing the sign, or you can say. So it comes in the form of a plus b, a minus b. So multiplying up and down by root 3 minus root 2. So up is a minus b the whole square. It becomes a minus b the whole square. Many children make mistake here. They write a square plus b square, or they write a square plus b square plus. So it is better to write root 3 square plus root 2 square minus twice root 3 into root 2. It goes easier. Or you can do direct upon a square minus b square. So root 3 square minus root 2 square. You get 1 mark for doing this much. And then you can get your final answer. So it will be 3, root 3 square is 3, then 2, and then it is minus 2 root 6, and down is 3 minus 2, which is 1. Some examiner they expect 1 here. So correct answer is 5 minus 2 root 6 upon 1. Or you can write 5 minus 2 root 6 and you get 3 marks. Let us come to second question, where you have to write in the form of 3. You can take 3 as base. So square root means degree 1 upon 2. So you can easily write 3 raised to x minus 3 upon 2, because this is square root and this is nth root. Nth root becomes 1 upon n. And here 3 raised to x plus 1 upon 4. When bases are same, you can compare the degrees. So easy it will become. So x minus 3 upon 2. Many children they don't write this upon 2 and they get 0 mark here, or they get 1 mark. And this is x plus 1 upon 4. Now you can do cross multiplication. When you do cross multiplication, you will be getting 4x minus 12. Be careful in multiplying 2x plus 2. Some children they don't multiply to second term. So now you bring this side 2, so it will become 2x equal to 14 and x will be 7. Easy. You can pause the video and you can try to solve by yourself. Let us go to C part. So first of all you can write cot theta is 12 upon 5. Okay. And you must be following that my technique. If you are following Pizza Hut, Burger Hut and Pav Bhaji, or Pandit Badri Prasad Harar Bole, so your cot is here, base upon perpendicular. Okay, or you must be following OAO, haha, then it comes adjacent upon opposite. Adjacent upon opposite. Now you can apply Pythagoras. You can apply Pythagoras and you can get hypotenuse, because hypotenuse will be required for cosec and sec. So now what will you do? You will apply Pythagoras, and using Pythagoras you can find hypotenuse will be sum of adjacent square plus opposite square. I am doing direct. You can draw diagram and solve. So it comes 144 plus 25. Show the steps, which is 169. So it comes 13. Now you can solve. So what you wanted? You wanted cosec theta. So again, cosec theta, OAO, haha. Cosec is here, H upon O. So you can write, so this is your H. H is 13 now. So 13 upon O means opposite, which is 5. Plus sec is H upon A. So hypotenuse upon adjacent, adjacent is 12. Now many children, they make mistake here. They don't take, if they take LCM, then they don't do cross multiplication, or so you can multiply here and you can add them. So 12 3s are 36, 12 1s are 12 and 3 15, 156 plus 13 5s are 65, and when you add them you get 2 to 1 upon 60. You can leave it, or you can write 3 integer 41 upon 60. So this is your correct answer. Don't go for my handwriting, I am just trying to be faster. Now let us move further. Question 2. Here, see, these questions are topic wise from indices and from trigonometry is having 3 topics. Okay, here this is your compound interest. So a sum becomes 1.44 of itself. If sum is x, you can write that formula, amount upon principal is 1 plus r upon 100 raised to n, and n is here 2. So here you have assumed x got cancelled, so you can write 1.44 can be said 1.2 the whole square, because I am taking square root of both sides, or you can compare later. And then if many children, they make mistake here also, they don't take 100 LCM. If you take 100 LCM, or some children they use 1 plus 0.01 r, that also goes better. Okay, so they do in decimal. So you can also try, or you can try with this method. So 1.2, and here you can write 1 plus 0.01 r raised to 2. When degrees are same, you can compare the base. So you can get r equal to 20% on solving. You can try. So you can write 1.2 is 1 plus 0.1 r. Some children are waiting for the answer. So 1.2 minus 1 is 0.01 r. So 0.2 is 0.01 r. So r is 0.2 upon 0.01. You can cancel the decimal if places are same. So it became 20%. Now happy, because some children, they expect full solution. Anyways, let us come for this. Find the coordinate of a point on x-axis. So when the point is on x-axis, which is equidistant from these 2 points. So when the point is on x-axis, it will have coordinate x, 0. Now you have to relate them. This point is equidistant from these 2. So you apply x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square in the square root. Since these points are same, so I am squaring both the side. I am doing shortcut. So what will you do? X minus 7 the whole square plus 0 minus 6. So it will be minus 6. Many children, they write minus 36. So minus 6 the whole square will be same. So I have taken. If you take root also, there is no harm, because I'll say squaring both the sides. So some children, they get confused. if I'm not using square root. Now here x minus minus 3, please be careful, x minus minus 3 will become x plus 3 the whole square, and 0 minus 4, so minus 4 the whole square. You can solve them easily. Now squaring both the sides you can get, so when you square both the sides, what do you get? This I may rub now because you must have copied by this time. Okay, so now what will you do? You will open the bracket, a minus b the whole square, so you can write a square. Okay, so a square plus b square minus 2ab, here also, and plus 36, sorry, because this minus 36. Okay, don't write minus 36, minus 6 the whole square is 36, and here a square plus b square plus 2ab, so plus 6x, and here plus 16. Now this x square, I hope you are doing by yourself, please don't copy, try to do by yourself. And when you bring these numbers one side and variables other side, so you get here 49 and 36 is 85, 85 minus 14x, this side you get 9 and 16, 25, and 25 plus 6x, so 14 you can send this side, 25 you bring this side, so 60 is 20x, and your x comes 3, so therefore the coordinates will be 3, 0, because the point is on x-axis, so y will be 0. Now let us come for this question. Here they have said a plus b is 5. You can pause the video and try by yourself, and a cube plus b cube you have to find. So here ab you have to find, so you can apply a cube plus b, a plus b the whole cube formula. Okay, so what is a cube plus b cube the whole cube formula? A cube plus b cube plus 3ab in bracket a plus b. This is a plus b the whole cube. Now you can substitute the values. So what you have to find? You have to find ab, because ab is not given. So AB is not given, so a cube plus b cube is given 35. So 35 plus 3ab, a plus b is given 5, so 5 cube, put bracket. So now you can solve it. 35 you can send that side, so it is 15ab, 15ab is 125, and from there you can get 35. So 35 you can get easily from there, so it becomes how much? 90. So your AB will be 90 upon 15. Please try to do by yourself. So your AB comes 6. Try to do by yourself. I am just helping average and below average children. Balance you should try by yourself. Now a plus b is given to us, so you can say a plus b the whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Easily, so whatever is given we apply accordingly. So here you have been given a plus b, so you can say 5 square, and a square plus b square we have to find. It's easy, and ab we found just now 12. So here is 25, you can bring 12 this side, and a square plus b square. So finally you got a square plus b square is 13. 25 minus 12, 13. Easy. Please don't copy. You can pause the video, and some of you can take the screenshot before I start solving. That is also good technique. Take the screenshot of third question. I am giving you a minute to take screenshot. You can pause the video and you can try to solve by yourself. Simultaneous equation, so easy. What you will do? You multiply first equation. You can just eliminate any variable x or y. Suppose you are eliminating y, so you can multiply here by 3 and here by 4. So it becomes 9x minus 12y is 30. Other one becomes 16x plus 16x plus 12y, because we are eliminating y, is 20. Now they are having opposite signs. So on adding, so add 3 and 4, whatever you can give them the name, so y gets cancelled. So you get 25x. So on adding, so 25x is 50, easy. 25x is 50, so x is 2. X we got 2, and on substituting we can get y. So y will be, you can get y will come -1. So I will not waste your time. Now we come for this question. AD is given 13, BC is 3, CD is 12. So you can apply Pythagoras. 12 square plus 3 square. So you can apply Pythagoras here. So you can find BD. BD you will find 9 plus 144. Okay, so it will come 153. It will come root 153. So you can find BD using Pythagoras. Use Pythagoras theorem and find BD, root 153. You may get 1 mark for that much. So root 153, please try to solve by yourself. I don't want to do spoon feeding. So 153, and then you can go for AB. So AB will be 169 plus 153 in root sign. Again applying Pythagoras, you can find AB. So AB square will be 13 square minus, it will be minus, because hypotenuse minus. So minus 153 the whole square. That is the reason I was keeping in square root only. So you got 169 minus 153. 169 minus 153 gives you 16. So you got your answer. AB is root 16, which is 4 unit or 4 centimeter. So they wanted to know the length of AB using Pythagoras. Now come for this factorization. Many children, they make mistake. Please understand, in factorization first you see if anything is common. So A is common, A6 minus 1 upon 64. Now this is double factorization. So you can apply A6 means you can write A cube square. You can write A cube square, and here you can write 1 upon 8 square. And now you can apply A square minus B square. Okay, and then you can solve them. So what will you do? You can apply once you add and once you subtract. So I am writing tiny one. So A, you can add 1. So A cube plus 1 upon 8, and then A cube minus 1 upon 8. Again it can be x because factorized completely. So again this is in the form of A cube plus 1 upon 2 cube. So again you can expand it. You can simply write A plus B, so with 1 upon 2 in bracket A square. For plus we write A square minus AB, so which will be minus AB means A upon 2. So A upon 2 and plus B square, so 1 upon 4. In other we will just do A cube minus B cube, so which is A minus B, and then again A square plus AB, which is A upon 2, and plus B square 1 upon 4. Some children they can write brackets by arranging. So that will become your answer. You can write these two together and then you can write these two together. So you can write your answer by arranging. Good question it is. Now we come again for your trigonometry, standard angles, 30, 45, 60 you have to remember. Okay, so you can take screenshot and you can try by yourself. It's very easy. Now 4 outside and sine 30, and sine 30 you all must be knowing. Sine 30 is 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 2 raised to 4 because it is sine degree 4, plus cos 60 is sine 30 because they are complementary. So you must be knowing that also, 1 upon 2 raised to 4 again. Here minus 3 is outside and this is cos square 45. So cos 45 sin 45 same, so 1 upon root 2 and the square. Minus sin 90. Sin 90 is 1. Please remember that is not 0. Some children write 0 and they don't get marks. Now you can solve it. So 4 is outside. 1 upon 2, some children write 4 into 2, 8 and they are marked 0. So 1 upon 16. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 4 times. Plus same 1 upon 16. Here 3. This is 1 upon 2 and this is 1. And then you can add 4 into, denominators are same, we can add them. So 2 upon 16 and minus 3 and this will come minus half. Okay, so you will get your answer. This 4 can cancel. So you will get here 1 upon 2 because 4 4s are and again 2 2s are. So here you got answer 1 upon 2 and there you get answer plus 3 upon 2. So answer come 4 upon 2 which is 2. So 2 is the answer. You can try by yourself please. Pause the video and try again and again I am saying. Now chord of length 8. So you can draw the diagram for understanding or it's fine. So chord of length 8, so 4 4 in 2 parts because perpendicular drawn from center to chord bisects the chord and distance is given 3. Okay, find the radius. So you can do mentally, if you know Pythagorean triplet, 5 is the answer, but you can write it using Pythagoras theorem. You can write in triangle also. Some children are very organized, ABC and they find M. They write in triangle OMA using Pythagoras theorem, OA square. So here radius square will be 4 square plus 3 square. And before that you have to write one reason. Perpendicular drawn from center to chord bisects the chord. So bisects. So then you have to write AM equal to MB equal to 8 upon 2 or 4 centimeter. That is important. And then you can easily get 16 plus 9 is 25. So your radius is root 25. Radius is root 25. Video becomes big because I am solving all the sums. Okay. So those who know them, they can forward the video and they can solve by themselves. Now this is the last part. Here you have been given, many children they find it difficult, 3x minus y the whole square, and you can take 4 common here, 4x minus y minus 4. Now you can assume let x minus y is m or a, and then you can rewrite. So it will become 3m square minus 4m minus 4. 3m square minus 4m minus 4. You have let x minus y. Now you can split the middle term. 3 4s are 12, and then you have to find the factor of 12. 6 and 2 minus 6 and plus 2. This factorization you must be knowing. It is factorization, and then you can make the pair grouping, we call it. So 3m is common, you got m minus 2 and here 2 is common, m minus 2, your brackets came same. So m minus 2 in one bracket, 3m plus 2 in other bracket. So in this factorization you got final answer, and now you can resubstitute. So m is x minus y, so you can write x minus y minus 2, and here you have to multiply x minus y by 3, or you can write 3x minus 3y plus 2. I have multiplied 3x minus y will give you 3x minus 3y because it is 3m. So 3m means this. So this is your final answer. Thank you very much. If you like the video, please share, because you are only my media. Okay, I don't have any marketing platform. Please share with your contacts and subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed. For section B will continue further. Thank you very much. May God bless you.